moving to the next part of alcohol, that is sixth part. Here we will discuss about the chemical property of phenol. Basically, only one chemical property now I will discuss. It is little bit to understand. To acidic property of phenol, its proof and reason why it is acidic, and its related question. Now, first of all, proof, that means acidic property, the proof of acidic property. How we can prove that means one substance is acidic? We all know that the basic things are there, that means where acidic property can be proven. That means say whenever a substance react with in base, it can prepare salt and water. We all know that that is the basic acidic character. In case of phenol also, it is happen. Let's see. So whenever phenol react with NaOH, that is one of the alkali, it's reacting. After reacting, it can prepare salt. The salt is ONA along with water. So salt and water has been prepared by after reacting with alkali. So obviously it is acting as an acid here. It is one of the proof I have given. Second proof, again same thing. That means whenever reacting with strong metal, say sodium, it liberate hydrogen gas. It is also the proof that phenol is an acidic phenol having acidic character. Another one we can write also. It can turns blue litmus turns blue red. Sorry, blue litmus turns red in presence of phenol. So this you can, if this question is asked, how we will prove that means phenol having the acidic property. So whenever proof is asked, so obviously this should be the answer. This can be the answer. So it is, the name is sodium phenoxide. The name is sodium phenoxide, one of the salt. So whatever, this is the proof that we can prove, that means phenol having the acidic property. Now the main thing we have to understand reason why it is acidic in nature. First of all, we have to remember that means acidic character for any acidic. I am talking any different acid. Say HCl. HCl is an acid. Hydrochloric acid. We all know that. Why it is an acid? Because it can liberate H plus ion along with Cl minus. We all know that. That means due to generation of H plus ion, obviously it is an acid. Now mind that this is acid, and whenever after liberating of H plus ion, the remaining part is called conjugate base. Actually, acidic state depends on the stability of conjugate base. Whenever it is stable, the reaction goes forward. In case of this, HCl is strong acidic because it is stable one. That's why it is acidic in nature. So come to this point. In case of phenol also it can prepare H plus ion. Look at here. So if you find out this one, phenol can prepare this ion O minus as well as H plus ion. So this proton is liberated, that's why it is acidic. But now the thing is that it is called conjugate base. As I mentioned, after liberation of H plus ion, the remaining part is called conjugate base. So it is conjugate base, it is an acid. Now whether phenol can show the acidic character or not, how we can prove it, how we can find out the reason. The reason depends on the stability of these two. If we find out it is more stable, so obviously reaction will go forward. That means H plus ion will be liberated. Whenever this is more stable, the reaction will be go backward. In that case, it cannot show the acidic character. So we have to find out the stability of acid as well as its conjugate base. That means phenol, and it is called phenoxide ion. First of all, I am telling you this phenoxide ion is much more stable than this. Why? That means because if we find out the resonating structure, in case of resonating structure, first of all I am writing here phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Why? Because the resonance structure of phenoxide ion is more stable. Than phenol. Now, why it is so? Again, I am writing because in phenol resonance structure, positive ion is generated on electronegative oxygen atom. So that's why it is less stable than phenoxide ion resonance. So I have given the statement. If time is not so much, if you have to write down the answer. Only this part you may write. Now, if time is more or marks is much more, in that case you have to show the resonance structure. So first of all, in case of phenol resonance structure, I am writing resonance structure. Now, phenol resonance structure, that is, this is the structure. At first I am writing the hexagonal structure one by one, then I am elaborating. Now look at. Now what will happen? This is the lone pair of electron. This lone pair can be, that means it can that means the movement is a backward. That means electron can move towards the benzene ring. What will happen after that? It will be shifted. That means this negative charge will be prepared. Here double bond will be prepared along with the positive charge. Now this negative charge will be rotate through the ring. That means this negative charge, this double bond OH, this positive charge. Now again OH plus. Now again this will be shifted over here and it will be shifted over here. That means it will be negative charge. Now finally it will shift over here, it will be shifted over here. That means the structure will be this. Now look at here this is the resonance structure. Double-headed arrow must be given in case of resonance structure showing. Now mind that in that case, if you write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, whatever the resonance structure we have got, if you find out 2, 3 and 4, you can notice carefully 2, 3, 4 oxygen having the positive charge. Look at here. So obviously it decreases the stability of resonance of phenol. Whereas in case of phenoxide ion, let's see for phenoxide ion, same thing I am going for phenoxide ion. Look at here, again same thing. At first I am drawing the structure. Now look at here. What will happen? That means this negative charge will be shifted over here, it will be shifted over here. That means the negative charge over here, this. Look at here, no charge generation, additional charge has been generated. It will be shifted over here, it is shifted over here. That means negative charge here, and here double bond will be there. and this will be shift over here, this will be shift over here. So ultimately what will be the result in that case? It will be the -1. Finally it will shift over here, it will be shift over here. That means the structure will become real. Now look at here, throughout the resonance structure, it is the throughout this resonance structure, this is for phenoxide. This is throughout the resonance structure, there is no positive charge generation on oxygen, so that's why it is much more stable resonance structure comparing to that. So obviously this is the stable one, so obviously as I told earlier, the reaction will move forward. As move forward, we'll get the H+1, and that's why phenol is acidic in nature. Now comparing related some questions I am giving over here. Very important, some questions are there. Important question, that means first of all, compare the acidic character of aliphatic alcohol and phenol. If this question here, that means ROH is given and phenol is given, which is more acidic? So obviously the answer will be phenol. Phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic. Why? Because here the conjugate base, that is phenoxide ion, much more stable, than conjugate base of ROH, that is what? RO dash, O minus. So it is much more stable. And why it is much more stable? That is elaborating. I am telling you that is all. That also, that means due to having resonance structure. It's having no resonance structure, but it's having resonance structure. Whenever resonance structure is there, obviously that will be much more stable. So that's why it is much more acidic than this. Not only that, how we prove that? Prove up. How we can prove that? Means phenol is more acidic. Acidic character is more than ROH. How? Very simple way. First of all, change of indicator color. Phenol can change the color of indicator like blue litmus to red. So it is one of the proof we can write down over here. That means it can prepare like that. Not only that, it is first one I have written over here. Second, we can write phenol plus alkali, salt is prepared, salt and water. But in case of ROH, alkali is given, no salt is prepared. So it also proved that phenol is much more acidic than ROH, alkaline. Okay, up to this part we have completed.